Okay, hello everyone. My name is Oksana Gutsalenko and I was graduated from here in 2007. 2007 is quite a long time ago, and even there are no subjects like sustainability or something about sustainability. And I'm like a marketing specialist in construction sector, private houses. Last 3 years and almost 10 years I'm in design, construction, apartments, restaurants and private houses. And my introduction to sustainability just started from last year, 2019. Especially I was visited Dutch Design Week and I did love the slogan, if not now then when. There were a lot of sustainable projects all about research, processes and what you, like a person, like an entrepreneur can do for making this world better. And also thanks to Claudia Cheveluk, I just got to know about sustainable development much more, especially thanks to your free online courses on boomonline.ua. You also can find them if you would like to know more about sustainability, like a new kind of father software. And I just made a screenshot just for you can look how it was looking like and what kind of subjects she is talking about. Also, thanks to this book, I just got to know about sustainability in almost every sphere of life, what's sustainability in ecology, in economics, in politics stuff, and also what is about doing all this less. In comparing with the developed countries, we are really on the beginning stages, and especially in sustainable building in that sphere I'm working right now. And why it's so huge gap between developed countries in our and with our country is that because of the first energy efficiency law in our country was introduced in 2017. And as you may know, I think that you do know that a lot of European countries started to think about climate change problems, and they improved and implemented a lot of laws according to ecology 50 and even 60 years ago. And we just 3 years ago, it's really a huge gap. And what's about the energy efficiency of a building? What does it really mean? I think you do know about this table when you are using domestic appliances. So the same stuff is with buildings. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. It's all about energy efficiency. And if we compare with developed countries, they have the same stuff, but another numbers. Like A for our country is about the building which consume about 66 kilowatts per year. And in USA, in Germany, in Australia, Switzerland, it's about 30. And if our house is using about 50 kilowatts per year, it's called passive house. So it's almost about zero. And if you're using zero or even producing surplus energy, your home is called active house. You are producing more energy than used. This is like A++. So A plus is like passive house and A++ is active house. Have you ever heard about passive or active house?
No.
There's some yes, some no. Okay. And so, all in all, it's like the less energy you used, yeah, the less you are paying. It's just very simple. So, it's not possible to build a sustainable energy efficiency passive or active house without sustainable materials or especially alternative energy. If saying about sustainable building, we are saying about solar power, it's getting energy from the sun, and solar heating, it's we are heat water from the sun. Also wind power and heat pumps. Heat pumps are very popular because of their high efficiency. It's about 80%. What does it mean? It means that a heat pump, you know what heat pump? You know what it is? Or no? Heat pump, it's like a huge, like a boiler stuff, but it's getting energy from earth, from water, or from wind, not from the usual electricity. Okay, so what does it mean, high efficiency? A heat pump needs 20% of energy for producing 80% of energy. Just 20 for 18 to produce. So how you can know that this or another building is eco or sustainable? It's thanks to international companies which can give you certificate and top lean from USA, BRAM from your United Kingdom, and DGNB from Germany. And also in Ukraine, Active Houses is the first company which is officially open in Ukraine, and we really can get a certificate thanks to this company in Ukraine. So how exactly green houses, or you can say sustainable buildings, can make our planet better? We will look at 9 goals from 17, because even in these 9 goals, building greenhouses will improve our situation. What exactly does it mean? For example, for the goal of good health and well-being, it's all about, about 19, have you ever think about that you almost 19% of your time spending indoors? Like at home, at university, at friends' houses. That it's the average number, but it's really a huge time of spending. And usually the air condition in indoors are very bad. When you are building a green or sustainable houses, it's all about your health. It's all about less of harmful emissions to environment. And by the way, it's very easy to check your air conditioning around by buying stuff like this. You can check your carbon dioxide too, how it's in this class, for example. I'm going to buy this stuff as well. It would be very interesting to know how much we have of carbon dioxide to here, because normal is 800, and usually in class like this number is coming to 1,000 or even 2,000 parts per million. It's quite a huge number. And also it's very popular to check PM25. It's particular matter, like in air we have a lot of small parts of harmful stuff. And for example, one of them is called PM25. And maybe you can find it boring, but when you are start to analyze and search what does it really mean and how it helps your well-being. Especially maybe some of you have asthma and you don't know why. Maybe some of you are coming feeling bad or feeling something, you want to sleep. It could be not because of you have not enough sleep. It could happen because of bad air condition in a space where you're sitting right now. So another goal is all about affordable and clean energy. This alternative energy should be very easy to buy for locals, but in our countries it's very expensive. We have like an IQ program, but I have known recently that it's stopped right now. If shortly, it's all about you could get some discounts if you wanted to buy some alternative eco materials. And also, I was telling you about active houses. It's when you produce more energy than use. This energy could be sold to Kyivenergo for 50 euro cents for 1 kilowatt. But again, it's too expensive to build active house, firstly, and secondly, to like our money spent to that. So these pictures, they show like our normal situation. We have a lot of stages why we cannot pay less. And in this picture, it's like in other countries, like in Switzerland, in Austria, especially in Germany, you can earn money if you are doing solar panels. It's really true. And on the next slides, I will tell you about an example how it's possible. In this goal, it's all about decent work and economic growth. It's all about if only we could build more buildings with energy efficiency A, more energy efficient. It's all about, again, our feelings, how much we can work, and you know, from Lviv, in Lviv? Yeah, from Lviv. This is the first shopping center which got a brown certification. I was telling you that we have a lot of international companies which can get you a certificate. And this shopping center got a brown certification. It's from United Kingdom. And it's really good. And by the way, the marketing director of this center is our alumni, Oksana Gutsalenko. I know her, and that's really cool that she's working in a sustainable company. Next goal is all about innovation and creating infrastructure for innovation for people who can create some innovative materials or stuff for making sustainable green buildings. For example, I'm working with a company which building construction built with the stove panels. Stove panels, it's nothing new, something you know, yeah, but it's old tradition with the new technology. It's really like innovative materials and houses with these materials could be really efficient. The next goal is sustainable, is about creating sustainable cities and communities. And this is an example from Europe. The community, blockchain community, is called the Sonnen community, and members are such countries like Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Italy. They can buy, they can sell or share surplus energy to another members. For example, you have a home in Italy and a lot of days are sunny, you got surplus energy and you can share or sell to another community in Austria or in Germany. It's very, very cool. Responsible consumption and production. It's, just keep in mind this name, Halabuda. I think that, you know, again, it means agents of change. Yeah, you know, in Kiev. It's an organization, the guys in this company, they do a lot of good stuff for making our infrastructure in Kiev better. You can check them on the internet, you will find their website and a lot of projects like they made. These metro cards more useful. They made a lot of tables like for tourists in Kiev. You can like understand. Yeah. And And like 2 weeks ago, they announced about the sustainable project. It will be open space, like cradle to cradle space. What does it mean, cradle to cradle? Cradle to cradle is like all about using something without waste. So, I don't know, will it happen or not, but it's very interesting project. Climate action goal, it's all about to do something urgent, because we have no time. We should do something really, I don't know, strange maybe. In an Eindhoven, it's the most innovative city even in the world. Eindhoven in Holland, during Design Dutch Week. I just found a huge pavilion that was built with bio-based material on which mushrooms are growing. So it's absolutely built with no emissions. So it's like, it's not possible to live in such a house, but it's like a concept. I was telling you that Eindhoven, it's all about research and thinking how I can change this world. Consumption, not like they are not thinking about the result, how much money I will get from this project. No, it's more about like, is it possible? Even if it's not possible, like, look at this. And maybe another people will, I know how to make this better. So it's all about like innovation, sharing, and like thinking about out of the box, not just out of the box, but out of the box. Life on the land is all about to make green or sustainable buildings with the biodiversity. How it's cool. Okay, in Milan, you maybe you know about this. Yes, you know, but who don't know? It's all about vertical forest houses. It's like garden in the house. In these buildings, a lot of creatures can live. So it's like I don't know. I don't can compare it with something else. When you are walking in such buildings, you are feeling yourself really in some garden. And the last goal is all about partnership for the goals. For example, I have passed the courses named Active House courses from this international Active House Alliance. And like 1 week ago, I met Dasha. She is she studied eco-engineering in Finland, and she's telling a lot of stuff about how climate is changing and why, what exactly we do for changing more stuff, and what exactly is happening naturally, not because of our living. It's very interesting. And the last one I would like to do to save the day. I hope this event will really happen, because it's not the first time people are trying to organize an event like this in Ukraine. So Ukrainian Fashion Week, Ukrainian Design Week, I hope will take part in June 3, it will be 5 days, in June 3 until 7. It's like normally 5, maybe it's like international, not 7 or 5, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, maybe. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.